In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a database to your Figma UI design using Google Sheets. This process should take about 6 minutes from start to finish, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Figma, which is our collaborative interface design tool for today. You'll find it at figma.com if you're starting fresh. Once you're there, look for the option to log in. If you already have an account, just enter your credentials and you'll be directed to Figma's homepage. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up, which is a straightforward process, but I assume most of you already have an account. After successfully logging in, you should find yourself on the Figma homepage. This is your main workspace where you'll manage all your design projects. From here, you're going to click on Design. This tab is your gateway to start working on your UI projects, and today we're focusing on integrating a live database. Next, you'll want to shift your attention to the action button, which should be quite evident on the toolbar. Clicking this action button will allow us to search for various plugins that Figma supports. For our needs, simply type Google Sheet into the search bar. We're looking for the Google Sheet Sync plugin, which will facilitate the connection between your design and your database. Now, once you've found Google Sheet Sync in the list, click on it to open. This will install and prepare the plugin for usage. A useful tip is to familiarize yourself with other plugins that might enhance your work processes. Figma's library has a lot to offer. After opening the Google Sheet Sync, you will see an option to run it. Hit Run, and this will begin the process of linking your Figma project with your Google Sheets database. Now, there might be a slight wait as it integrates, but typically it doesn't take more than a few seconds or so. And there you have it. You've successfully connected your Figma design to a Google Sheets database. This integration will allow dynamic data flow, enabling your design to reflect real-time data changes. Remember, this isn't just a one-time setup. If you update your Google Sheets document, those updates will sync directly with your Figma design, making it truly dynamic and responsive to database changes. Thank you for watching this quick guide on connecting Figma to Google Sheets. With this integration, you've taken an essential step towards more interactive and data-driven design workflows. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. See you in the next video.